Deciding together. Have you and a friend ever had to figure out a problem together, like how to share something that you both wanted? How did you decide what to do? In this story, the kids help Z learn that it's fair to decide things together. That means that everyone gets to share ideas and everyone listens to each other. Then you can think and decide together on a solution that works for everyone. As you listen to the story, pay attention to the different ideas Z and the kids have for how to solve their problems and whether they think of a fair solution. After a busy day of playing, Z and the kids were working together to clean up the messy treehouse. Z picked up a puzzle piece scattered on the floor and suddenly noticed something small, brown, and fuzzy. Z gently picked it up and looked more closely.
"What's that, Z?"
asked Kayla. Z held it up as the other kids gathered around. "It's a caterpillar!" they all shouted.
"Ew, I don't like bugs,"
said Gabriel.
"Let's put it out in the garden."
Kenny disagreed.
"If we put it in the garden, it will eat all the plants. We should just smush it."
Kayla shook her head.
"You can't smush it. I want to take it home and put it in my bug house so I can see it all the time."
"Let's hurry up and decide what to do with it before it gets away," said Gabriel. But Z quickly covered the caterpillar so that none of the kids could see it.
"No way,"
said Z.
"I'm holding it so I get to decide. I'm going to keep it here with me."
Whoopsie! Z didn't know how to decide what to do in a fair way. What would you tell Z and the kids to do?
"We know that you're holding the caterpillar, Z,"
said Kenny.
"but we should decide together."
"That's right," said Kayla. "We all have different ideas about what to do. We should stop and talk about it so we can come up with a solution that is okay with everyone." The kids and Z talked about what they could do. Gabriel thought bugs were icky and didn't want the caterpillar in the treehouse. Kenny was afraid to put it in the garden. Kayla was excited to take it home, but Z wanted it to stay in the treehouse. Everyone wondered what to do.
"Hey, Kayla," said Gabriel, "what if you brought your bug house here? Then the caterpillar would be in its own house instead of crawling around our treehouse or the garden. It could stay here with Z, but you could still see it every day too."
He turned to his friends and asked,
"What does everybody think about trying that?"
It wasn't quite what anyone had suggested, but everyone agreed that it was a very fair compromise. Kayla went home and brought back her bug house, and they all gathered some juicy leaves for the caterpillar to eat. Z and the kids watched the caterpillar and took care of it every day. One day, Z noticed that the caterpillar looked like it had wrapped inside a leaf and gone to sleep. Many days later, Z looked in the bug house again and saw that the caterpillar had come out of its chrysalis and now had beautiful wings. It had turned into a butterfly. The kids and Z decided together that it would be fair to let the butterfly go. As they watched it fly high into the sky, they were all glad they did something that made everyone happy, even the butterfly. Z says, "Whenever we're together, my friends help me discover how children on Earth get along with each other." Z wants all of you to remember that when you have different ideas, it's fair to make decisions together and think of a solution that works for everyone.